In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life indicator light on your Mazda 3. You're going to do this inside the car. To reset your oil light, you're going to want to press this button in before you turn the key at all. So the car's off, and you're going to hold it, and you're going to turn the key. Do not start it, just turn it, and then you're going to look at your trip, and it says reset. Ours is missing some lights. Once it says reset, you can let go and turn the key off. And now you've reset your oil light.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.